Hello, everyone, and welcome to Echoes of Commerce. Today, we are going to talk about a fundamental topic for home economics, the preparation of weekly menus. Planning our meals not only helps us save time and effort, but it can also have a significant impact on our family finances. Imagine being able to reduce your food expenses, avoid waste, and, at the same time, enjoy varied and nutritious meals every day. Planning a weekly menu is an effective strategy that will allow you to achieve all this. But where to start? In this video, we will guide you step by step so that you can implement this practice in your home, and you will see how, with a little organization, you can make a big difference in your budget. Stay until the end of the video for practical tips and real examples of how to apply these concepts in everyday life. Let's get started. Planning a weekly menu brings with it numerous benefits. First of all, it allows you to have more precise control over your budget. By knowing exactly what you need to buy, you avoid impulsive purchases and unnecessary products. In addition, you reduce food waste since you only buy what you're really going to use. Another benefit is the improvement in the quality of the meals. By planning ahead, you can ensure you include a variety of nutritious foods in your diet, which is essential for maintaining good health. You can also avoid repeating dishes and experiment with new recipes. Finally, weekly planning saves you time and stress. You will no longer have to ask yourself every day, what are we going to eat today? Since you will have everything organized and ready. This practice also makes meal prepping easier, since you can cook ahead and store portions for later days. Now that we understand the benefits, let's dive into the initial steps of planning your weekly menu. The first thing you should do is evaluate your current situation. What foods do you have at home? Take inventory of your pantry, refrigerator, and freezer. This will allow you to use the ingredients you already have and avoid waste. Next, create a list of foods that you enjoy and that are easy to prepare. Think about recipes that you and your family like. You don't need to be a chef to plan a good menu. The key is simplicity in choosing dishes that are practical and nutritious. Once you have your favorite recipes, group them by categories such as breakfasts, lunches, and dinners. This will help you better organize your menu and vary the types of meals you eat each day. Remember to also consider leftovers. Some recipes can be prepared in larger quantities to be consumed over several days. Once you have planned your weekly menu, it's time to make your shopping list. This list should include all the ingredients needed for the recipes you have selected. When making your list, group foods by categories such as fruits, vegetables, proteins, dairy, etc. This will make your shopping experience more efficient and faster. Another important recommendation is to check the offers and discounts available at your local supermarket or online. Taking advantage of these promotions will allow you to save even more on your food budget. Don't forget to also consider seasonal products, which are usually cheaper and fresher. Additionally, it helps to plan some flexible meals that can be adjusted based on what you find on sale. For example, if you plan to make a chicken salad but fish is on sale, you can adjust your menu to include a fish salad instead. This flexibility will help you maximize your savings. Shopping smart is crucial to maximizing your savings and ensuring you get the best quality food. An effective strategy is to do your shopping once a week. This allows you to reduce visits to the supermarket and avoids impulsive purchases that tend to increase expenses. Another tip is to buy in bulk those products that you use frequently and that have a long shelf life, such as rice, pasta, and canned products. This not only saves you money in the long run, but also ensures you always have the basic ingredients on hand. Don't forget to also explore different places for your purchases. Local markets, discount stores, and online shopping can offer competitive prices and fresh products. Comparing prices between different providers will allow you to find the best deals and save considerably. Once you have made your purchases, the next step is to prepare and store the food correctly. This stage is crucial to ensure that your meals stay fresh and that you get the most out of the ingredients. Start by washing, cutting, and storing fruits and vegetables properly. Use airtight containers to maintain freshness and extend the shelf life of foods. You can also pre-cook some meals or portions, such as rice or chicken, and store them in the refrigerator or freezer to use during the week. Another useful technique is to label containers with the date and contents. This will help you keep track of your food and use it before it goes bad. In addition, Planning some meals based on the products you have stored will allow you to avoid waste and save time in daily preparation. Using leftovers is a great way to reduce food waste and save money. Instead of throwing away food scraps, you can transform them into new and delicious meals. One idea is to use leftover vegetables to make soups, stews, or salads. Leftover meats can be reincorporated into sandwiches, tacos, or stir-fries. Plus, many dishes can be frozen and remade in later days, providing quick and easy meals with no extra effort. It's also helpful to have one day a week set aside to use up leftovers. This not only helps avoid waste, but also gives you a break in the kitchen, allowing you to enjoy ready-made meals. Remember, the key is creativity and seeing leftovers as an opportunity to experiment with new recipes. Planning your meals according to the season is a great way to save money and enjoy fresher, more nutritious foods. Seasonal products are usually cheaper because there is greater availability and lower transportation costs. In addition, they have better flavor and nutritional value when grown at their optimal time. To start, find out what foods are in season in your region. Many local markets and supermarkets highlight these products, and you can also find seasonal food calendars online. Incorporate these ingredients into your weekly menus. For example, in summer you can take advantage of fresh fruits and vegetables such as tomatoes, cucumbers, and berries, while in winter you can opt for foods such as pumpkins, cabbages, and citrus fruits. This will not only help you save, but will also allow you to enjoy a more varied and healthy diet. It's not every day we have time to cook elaborate meals, so it's helpful to have some quick and easy recipes on your weekly menu. These meals should be easy to prepare, with ingredients you have on hand, and still nutritious. Some ideas include salads, sandwiches, quick pastas, and one-pan dishes. For example, a tuna salad with fresh vegetables, a grilled chicken sandwich, or pasta with homemade tomato sauce can be delicious and quick options. Planning these meals on particularly busy days will help you maintain control over your diet and budget without sacrificing the quality of your meals. Plus, many of these recipes can be adjusted depending on what you have at home, offering flexibility and variety. An important part of weekly menu planning is to review and adjust your plan regularly. This allows you to evaluate which recipes work best, which ones are most popular with your family, and where you can make improvements to save even more or reduce food waste. After each week, take a few minutes to reflect on your menu. Was there any meal that was not enjoyed as much? Did you find yourself with leftovers that you didn't use? Were there any ingredients you could have bought in smaller quantities? This analysis will help you adjust your menu and make changes for next week. You can also look for new recipes or ideas to keep your meals interesting and varied. Menu planning is a dynamic process that can adapt to your needs and preferences over time. To better understand how to apply these concepts in everyday life, let's look at some practical examples. Let's say you have planned your weekly menu and done your shopping. On Monday, you prepare a baked chicken dinner with fresh vegetables. You use the leftover chicken to make sandwiches on Tuesday and a chicken salad on Wednesday. On Thursday, you make a quick pasta with homemade tomato sauce, using the tomatoes you bought on sale. On Friday, you opt for a simple meal, like a vegetable soup, using the leftover vegetables you have in the fridge. During the weekend, you enjoy a meat stew that you can freeze and use in the following week. This type of planning not only saves you money, but also allows you to enjoy a varied and healthy diet. Plus, by organizing your meals this way, you reduce the daily stress of deciding what to cook and avoid impulse purchases. Don't forget to subscribe, share it with your family and friends, leave your like and a comment about how you will plan the week's diet.